Take a moment to check out the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, proximity key entry, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, iPod, MP3 input. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.